To set up a dilution series, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to label the Eppendorf tubes with the corresponding dilution series. Here I'm labeling them 1x, 10x, 100x, and 1000x. We're going to be doing a 10 times dilution within each series. After your Eppendorf tubes are labeled, we're going to label our corresponding plates. The 1x dilution series, we're not going to be pipetting into a spread plate. We're going to just be doing the 10x through the 1000x. So I start by labeling the name of the agar. In this case is MB, stands for marine broth. After that is a dash, and then the date. I use year, month, and day to label my plates. And then the initials of the person who's doing the dilution series or using that plate or inoculating that plate. Next, I'll be putting the inoculum source. In this case, it's from something called HH7, and then I'll do an underscore, the dilution series, and then and that'll be that for that plate. And I'm going to continue that for the rest of the plates. I'm making sure that each dilution series that I want to spread is having its own plate. Also, keep in mind that you're going to need negative controls and possibly positive controls. There might be more than one negative control. You might be doing more dilution series than what you're seeing done here. All the plates are labeled. I'm going to show you in the next video how to prepare a dilution series onto these plates.